Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this lesson. Okay, um, on today's video, I'll be introducing the app that you'll be using for design. Okay, one of the app that you'll be using for design. Okay, and it's called PixelLab. All right, so PixelLab is the app that I want to do the introduction right now. To open PixelLab, this is the interface of PixelLab. Now this PixelLab has um you know higher and higher version. It has pro version and so many. Okay, but this is the normal app. All right, so on this video, just listen, watch. You'll get the um the detail of all these features of this app. Okay, or in this app. All right, so let's go now. From the look of this interface, now you can see plus. Okay, so let's start from plus, the plus sign at the top of the screen. Okay, so when you click on this plus sign, you can see tests. If you want to input tests, you can see current dates. Okay, when you click on current date, the current dates will come out. You can see sticker, shapes from gallery, and draw. Okay, so we are going to be looking at them one after another. Okay, but right now, let me finish introducing this upside. Okay, everything at this upside. Okay, now you see an icon right here. This icon is where you can save your design. Okay, you can see save as projects. Save as projects, you put in the name of the project and click OK. If you want to save it inside this PixelLab app. All right, but if you want to save as image, you click on save as image. Then you will see the format. You can see image format, JPG, no transparency, PNG, is with transparent background. Okay, just get it. JPG with background and PNG without background. Okay, if you design something without background, you choose PNG. If you design something with background, you leave it at JPG. Okay, so the dimensions, now you can see default, custom, low, medium, high, very high, ultra. Okay, so it is always advised to okay okay it is always advisable rather to be choosing ultra, okay, each time you finish your design and want to save to gallery. Okay, so ultra, if you click on save to gallery, you have whatever that you have designed saved in your gallery. Okay, you can also see share if you want to share to any social media platform, and if you also click on share, it will be also saved in your gallery. Okay, so going back, the next one here is can see this um this chain, will I call it chain right here. Okay, it is also to also bring out this box of where you can save and how you can save your design. Okay, so going back, you can see the other one right here. So when you click on this, it will take you to quotes. Okay, all these are quotes. Okay, if you want to make use of anyone, you can just tap on it and it will come out on the screen. Okay, you can see English and French as the language, then motivation, success, friendship, happiness, inspiration, positivity, absurd. Okay, all these are the different kinds of quotes. Anyone that you want to choose, you can just tap on it and make use of it while you are designing or typing something. Okay, so that is it. Now the next one is these three dots here. On these three dots, you can see use image from gallery, you can see full screen, you can see use image from camera, export image size, contact us, tutorials, remove ad, recover, auto save, open plp file, okay, about and exit. Okay, so use image from gallery if you want to import image from your gallery. Then full screen if you want to, um disappear everything and make it to, okay, if you want only to see the screen, okay, and make it full screen. When you click back there, to go back and export image. Okay, if you click on export image, it will also take you to the box where you can save your image and export. All right, so going back, you can see image size. This is very important. Image size, although there is a video that I will do, it will teach you how to, you know input, or um you know get the right measurement for any design and size you want to, make. Okay, so when you open this image size, you can see custom, square, profile picture, YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art, Google plus cover photo, Twitter header size. Okay, all these are the size of, designs. Okay, if you want to design YouTube channel banner and the rest of them, you come here and click anyone you click, will just come out on that very size. Okay, you can also customize it by inputting your own size. Okay, after taking the measurement. Okay, so as I said earlier, there is a video that I will do. It will teach you more about, sizes, accurate measurement on this PixelLab app. Okay, going back there, you can see contact us if you want to contact the developer of this app. Then tutorials if you want to get the tutorials from them. Remove ad, recover, autosave, open plp app. Okay, these are the designs that I have done on this app. Okay, that's the meaning of that. Open plp file. Okay, then about, this is about the app, right? And exit if you want to exit the app. So that's it. Okay, where are we now? Oh, let's go to this one right here. If you want to input tests, if you click on this, you can see this pen symbol. If you want to input tests, okay, you click back on it, you can see this very one here. This one is copy. If you want to copy the text, and this one right here is the size of the text. Okay, the size of tests, if you want to edit it. Now this one here is to rotate the text, while this is to change the direction, or the position, rather the position of the text, while this is where you can choose color. This is to bring the text to front, while this is to send it behind other things that are on the screen. Okay, so that's it for now. Then this one right here is delete symbol. Okay, when you click on it, it will ask you delete the selected objects. When you click OK, the letter, or I mean the write up right here, will be deleted. Okay, so let me input another write up. Okay, so I will use the name of this app, PixelLab. All right, okay, I will increase it right here. So this arrow right here is used to undo any action that you have taken. Okay, if you want to undo anything, you click there, you undo it. Now this is for zooming. If you want to zoom, okay, it's for zooming. Okay, now why this is called grid lines. Okay, grid lines are used to arrange your work, or arrange your text, anything. There is also a video that I have done that will teach you more about grid lines. Okay, so that's it for now. So this one, okay, this one is where you can find anything that you have imported on on the workspace. Okay, let's say you imported a picture or write up anything, it will come here just like as you are seeing PixelLab. Okay, so any write up, any picture or anything that you import will just come and line up here. Okay, so that's it for this upside. Okay, so now let's come down to this very side. Okay, so now this one is for tests. If you want to add tests, you click on it, you can see new tests. Okay, you can delete it. Now this is quotes. Okay, I mentioned it earlier, you can get quotes right here. Okay, so now okay, now what's the next thing right here? If you want to go back to default background, you can see my projects. All these are the things that I did already. You can also see default. If you click on default to go back to this default background, okay, all these are the default backgrounds. Okay, there are many. Anyone that you want to make use of, you can just tap on it. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay, so now let's go to this part right here. Okay, now on this A here, this A alphabet, this A controls everything concerning text. Okay, if you want to understand this PixelLab very well, you have to divide it into three. Okay, this A part alphabet. Now this very one at the center, this very one. Okay, okay, this very one now. Sorry, let me explain it again. If you want to understand it, this A controls everything about tests, while this center one controls everything about importation, picture, shape, and others. While this one, this icon right here, and this one controls everything about the background. Okay, so let's take it one after another. So now you can see this is on this A alphabet. Okay, so as this write up is right here, you can do so many things. You can click on style, and you can see browse, you can see save. Okay, if you browse, you can see sample. Okay, samples of tests. Okay, anyone that you want to make use of is right here. Okay, okay, so let me go back to the previous okay style. Okay, still on this A alphabet, you can see edit. Okay, if you want to edit this, you can edit it and put more text or reduce. If you click on delete, you know what will happen, to be deleted. Then copy. If you want to copy it, you can copy as many as you want. Okay, now after copy to front. Okay, this to bring the alphabet now to the front. Okay, if there is anything that is closing it, if you click on to front, it will come to front. Then to back, it will go to back behind something. Okay, so let me like show you example of what I mean. Okay, let's say there is a shape right here. Okay, and if you click on to front, that's here, it will come to the front. Okay, let me change this color. Let me change the color of this text now to blue. Okay, have you seen it? Okay, so if you click on to back, okay, it will go back and behind it will go behind the shape. Okay, so that's the work of this to back. Then position, this is position. You can make use of any of this arrow to reposition to any place that you want. You can also increase the speed. Okay, so that's the work of this one. So relative position is also a tool to um to change position. Okay, in another way. Centralize, okay, extreme left, extreme right, extreme down, um center, extreme up. Okay, so that's it for relative position. Then size, okay, you can increase and decrease the size of the text. Okay, then paddling, you can paddle this. Okay, paddling, move it to the right, move it to the left. Okay, this is paddling for you. Okay, so now color, can change the color, can make use of um any color that you want. Okay, we are on color. Okay, you can choose black, blue, that blue, these are colors there, yellow. Okay, so you can also make selection here if you want to color by a particular side. Okay, let's say I want to color pixel to be black and lab to be yellow. Okay, you can select one or two alphabet or words to you know change the color. All right, so another kind of color is called gradient. When you click on gradient, um you can also make use of gradient color. Okay, you can set it here, click on this plug sign. You can set the color. Okay, when you click right here, um you click here also, this is to pick the color. So let me say I choose red for instance. Okay, I mark red. Then you come to this side, you tap on it, then you choose the color. Let's say you choose blue for instance. Okay, now you click on OK. Are you seeing it? This is the color. Okay, so let's go back there. You can also choose how the color will look like, or how it's going to stay, just by using these things up. You can tap on it. Okay, it will stay like this. You can make use of this one, make use of this one. Okay, it will be like this. So anyone that is your choice, you can use. Okay, you can also add more than two colors. Let's say if you want to add more, you click on this plus sign here, click on it, and to have another one at the center. Okay, so let's change the color of this one at the center now to let's say to this color. Okay, have you seen it? So click OK. It's now having three colors. Okay, it's now having three colors. Okay, you can change to green. Let's try another color, green. All right, so that's it for color. Okay, texture. Okay, you can also use texture. When you click on texture, it will take you to your gallery. Okay, you can collect any picture from there. Click on this gallery icon right here. Okay, this is to select any texture, so anything. Okay, let's say you select, okay, let's say I select this particular fruit. Now the color of this fruit now will be inside this right up. Okay, so that's the work of texture. Okay, you can also go back. Okay, let me show you another thing. You can also select a particular color in a particular thing. Okay, let's say you want to take the color of this. Okay, you want to take the color from here. Okay, let's say you want to take this color now, the color of this cane for instance. You can crop it. Yeah, you can crop it and choose the color of this cane. Okay, that's it. Go back, um can choose the color of this clothes, for example. Sorry, let me bring in the pen again. Okay, so you can choose the color of this clothes and mark. All right, so that's for texture. If you want to delete it, click on delete. Okay, and you have it deleted. Okay, opacity, if you want to increase or decrease the opacity. Okay, you can enable shadow. So that's it for opacity. Rotate, you can rotate this anyhow you want it. Okay, if you want to cancel, you can see this here, or this one at the center. You can click here to cancel. That's the work. Okay, mask. Okay, mask, you can use mask to cut out a particular part of your text. Okay, there is also a video that I will do that will explain more about mask. Okay, so there are so many things you can use this mask to do. Okay, let's disable it. Go back. Then fonts. Okay, font simply means the style or the style of the write up. Okay, so all these are fonts. Okay, all these are fonts on this particular app, PixelLab. Okay, all these are font. All right, so now on this font, you can see font, you can see my font, you can see recent font. Now my font, if I click on my font now, that means I'm going to be seeing the font that I have I have extracted or I have uploaded to this PixelLab. Okay, so there is a video that I did. It will also teach you how to import fonts into PixelLab. Okay, so click on my font. All these are the fonts that I imported on my PixelLab app. Okay, so you search for the video and you watch and learn how to import font on PixelLab. Okay, okay, let's change the font again. Okay, now that's it. On recent font, anyone that you use of recent will come here to stay. Okay, so next one is style. Okay, then style, you can make this to become bold by clicking on this B alphabet here. Then I, italic. Okay, to make it italic. Then underline, if you want to underline it. If you want to cancel it, you click right here. Okay, so the first one, if you want to make it bold, click here. Second one, italic, underline, and cancel. Okay, you can also select the part that you want to make bold. Okay, this one, italic, underline, cancel. Okay, this part, you want to make this part bold, italic, underline, cancel. Okay, so that's it for style. Okay, next one is curve. Okay, you can curve this now, so anyhow you want it depending on what you are designing. Okay, that's it for curve. Okay, now T background. This T background means text background. If you want to add background to this very right top, okay, click on T background. You can also select the color of the background depending on the color of the text. Okay, so this is T background. Okay, you can also click on gradient to choose any color. All right, so that's how it works. Okay, so disable, if you want to disable it. Then align. Okay, we'll have left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Okay, so we are going to learn more of this when you are typing. Okay, when you are typing, you learn more of alignment. That is it for that. So spacing, um spacing, if you want to space now, letters, just look here, this is letter, this are words, so click on letters, you can space the letters. Okay, you can space it. Then you can also space words if there are other words here. Okay, so it's only one word. Okay, you can also space word if you input many words. Okay, that is for that. Then line spacing also, let's say you input more of, okay, let me just input other right top. Okay, tutorial, PixelLab tutorial. Okay, so this line spacing, you can use it to, space line. Okay, to space line in between the two words. Okay, can cancel it. Then stroke, if you want to add stroke to the right up, you have black color, blue color, any color of stroke that you want to add. Okay, you can also increase the width. Okay, stroke width to your choice depending on what you are designing. Okay, so that's it for stroke. Then shadow, enable shadow, can choose any shadow color. So that's how it works. You can increase and decrease the opacity of the shadow, and change the direction of the shadow by using offset X and offset Y. Okay, at glow, and when you enable it, then blur reduce. So that's the work of shadow. Then inner shadow, okay, if you want to add shadow to the inside of the text, okay, you can have it right here. This is inner shadow. Okay, so that was it. So the next one is emboss. Okay, now there is a problem with this emboss. When you enable this emboss, you'll find out that your text will be broken. Okay, it will be broken. Whereas the work of this emboss is to make the text become bold and look like is a real text in a real life. Okay, but this app, okay, still have that problem of breaking text whenever you open this emboss. So I'll find a video, okay, that will give you the solution on how to make use of this emboss properly. Okay, so the next one is perspective. When you enable it, you can you can put your text to however you want it. Okay, perspective. So that's the work of this perspective. You can drag it to any place that you want. Okay, so are you seeing it? It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, all right, so that's the work of perspective. You can drag to any how you want it. Okay, um then okay, click on perspective. I disable it. Then go to 3D rotate. Okay, this is 3D rotate. 3D rotates right here. Okay, then this is X axis, then this is Y axis of it. Okay, right, so 3D rotates. Next one is 3D test. Okay, if you want to make this 3D test. Okay, so there's also a video that I will do using this 3D text. Okay, so when the video drop, you'll get it and learn more of this 3D tests. All right, so we'll go to 3D shadow. When you click on it, you have the shadow of this text. You can also increase the opacity of the shadow, the blurriness, expand by and or the rest of them. Okay, so that's the work of 3D shadow, to give shadow to the text. Then reflection, when you click on reflection, you will find out that this right top will be reflecting on the downside. Okay, you can use that you can use this now to change the direction or the position of the reflected text. Okay, so you disable it, and that is it for everything concerning this A alphabet text. So let's go to the center one right here. I told you this center one controls everything about picture, importation of picture, shape, and all the rest of them. Okay, so when you click there, you'll see stickers. Okay, if you want to make use of any sticker, you can click on anyone. There are so many stickers here, emojis, stickers. Okay, if you want to use anyone. So import means to import picture from your gallery. Okay, so when you click on import, it will take you to your gallery. You can now choose any picture that you want to import. Okay, let's say I want to import this picture now. You tap on it and it will be imported into this workspace. Okay, so that's the work of import. Then draw. If you want to draw something, just pick a color and begin to draw. If you want to draw something, if you can draw, increase the smoothness. Okay, fill inside. All these are the features of this app. Okay, so I'm not drawing right now, I'm just showing you. So shapes, if you want to bring in a shape, okay, so this is square shape. Now you can increase the reduce size, okay, to give you any shape that you want. Okay, now opacity, you can increase and decrease the opacity. Okay, so feed color, if you want to feed the color of this shape right now. You can also make use of gradient and use any color on the gradient, or you can create your own color. You know how to create color, sorry, you know how to create color using this. I have taught you. Okay, so that's all about shape. Okay, you can also go back to edit and edit it right here. Okay, so this also have stroke. You can see stroke width. Okay, increase to 10 for instance. And you can also change the stroke color by clicking on the colors. Are you seeing it? You can go back. Okay, so that's it for this blur reduce. Okay, so now if you click right here, there is arrow beside this box. Okay, if you click on it, you can see so many shape, circular, circular, and all the rest of the shape right here. Okay, so all these are the shapes. All right, so um that is it for shape. Okay, so let's delete this one. You can also crop if you want to crop. Okay, now you can see copy if you want to copy it. You can see, okay, to front, to back, position, relative size. If you want to increase and decrease the size. Okay, you can see color. Okay, this is another type of color. If you click on it, it will cover the other color. Okay, so that's it for color. Texture, if you also want to um import texture or import anything on it, you can choose this and import inside of it. Okay, so that's it for texture. You can delete it as well. Then opacity, you can increase and decrease the opacity. I have talked about it. Then color filters, you can change the color filters, the brightness, the saturation, the hue, or the contrast. Okay, so that's it. Then stroke, You can also add another stroke to this. Okay, all right. So eraser, the work of eraser is to erase any part that you want to erase, or either picture or shape. Okay, so that's the work of eraser. Okay, you can click here to undo it. All right, so let me go back to crop and have it in full. Okay, we are still dealing on this, on shape. We are still on shape. Okay, bring to the front. Okay, we are on, okay, after eraser, CapCut, the same thing. You can use CapCut to um cut some parts of this shape. Okay, so that's the work of CapCut. There are so many things you can use CapCut to do. There are so many shapes you can create with this CapCut. Okay, all right, so that's the work of CapCut. As time goes on, you will learn more about this CapCut. Okay, so that's it for CapCut. Then erase background. Okay, I will teach you more about this erase background in subsequent time. Okay, rotate, can rotate as well. So the same thing, 3D rotate, can rotate as you want. 3D shape. Okay, you can make it 3D shape. All right, oblique, 3D shape. Okay, rotate. All right, so let's go back to how it was before. Okay, 3D rotate. Okay, so now perspective, you can also change the perspective of this very one. Sorry, perspective. First of all, enable it. Okay, you can change the perspective of this shape. All right, so we are dealing on shape. You can use perspective to, okay, drag it to any point or anyhow you want it. That's for perspective. So shadow, you can also apply shadow on shape depending on what you are doing. Okay, that's for shadow. Then inner shadow, I've talked about it. Inner shadow. Okay, emboss. Okay, the same thing that happens to the letter will also happen to it until we find the solution. Okay, emboss, all right, is breaking. Okay, so that's the work of this emboss. I think we are done with shape. Okay, so now let me delete it. Okay, sorry, let me resize this now. Okay, so this is all about PixelLab tutorial. Okay, we are dealing with we are done with okay, we are done with shapes. So now let's get to, well, Bezier. Now this Bezier tool is used to draw. Okay, you can use it to draw any shape that you want. When you click on this plus sign, okay, you add more. Okay, you add more. So there is a video that I will drop very soon. It will teach you more about this Bezier. Okay, so for now let's move on. I will drop the video and it will teach you everything concerning uh, all these tools right here on Bezier. Okay, so that's it for Bezier. You can use it, okay, to draw circular shape, rectangular shape, any shape or anything that you want to draw. It depends on your creativity. Okay, so now arrow. Okay, you now have arrow. You can increase, you can decrease the size. Okay, arrow style, or this arrow style, anyone that you want to make use of. You can also change the color. Okay, so that's it for arrow. Okay, I think we are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. So now let's get to this other one right here. I told you here is where you can set anything concerning the background. Okay, so when you click on this background setting icon, you will see color, you see transparent, you see image size, crop, image, you see from gallery and from camera. Okay, the color, first of all, if you want to choose the color of the background, you can choose black, blue, red. Okay, any color of the background you want to choose. You can also choose gradient. If you want to make use of gradient, you can choose this as your background. You can come here and set your background depending on what you want to design or what you want to do. Okay, so so as I was saying, these are the colors that you can make use of. Okay, so that's it for now. Then you go to transparent. Transparent is if you want to make your design, if you want to use a transparent background for your design, you click on transparent. All right, so that's it. So let's go back to the color. This color, okay, let me choose white. Okay, now the next one, image size. Okay, I thought about it. I'm going to do a video that will teach you more about setting image size. Okay, so this is all about the background size setting. All right, okay, now the default size of this PixelLab is 1280 and 1280 as the height, and as well as the width. Okay, so that's it for image size. Then the next one is crop. Okay, now this crop will come only when you have something that you imported. Okay, for instance, if you want to use an image as the background, that's when you can use this crop. Okay, so the next one is image. Okay, all these are the default image on this PixelLab. Okay, so you can make use of any of them as your background. Okay, you can see this one is paper, this is texture, so you can make use of any of these as your background. Okay, so that's the work of image right here. Then from gallery means that if you want to take image from your gallery and set as the background of the page, okay, that is very possible. Okay, let's say I want to make use of one picture as my background. Okay, I can quickly do that. Okay, so let me choose this as my background right now to show you what I'm saying. Okay, now this is where crop comes to play the role. Okay, you can crop to anywhere you like. Okay, so when you click, you now have this as your background. Okay, so that's from gallery. Okay, then from camera, if you want to get your background from camera, okay, you click on this. I'm not going to be doing that right now. Okay, you can try it. Click on from camera, you capture something, okay, from the background. All right, so now that's all about PixelLab. Okay, as I said, anything that I did not explain here, I am going to do a separate video concerning that. Okay, thank you for watching. This is all about PixelLab tutorial. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless you.